Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Goodhue, your OAO president. This instructional video will show you how to use the newly upgraded OAO TPA app. This web app can be accessed on any device with an internet connection such as your desktop computer, tablet, or smartphone. I think it's important to point out that this is not an app in the traditional sense, meaning you can't download it from iTunes or the Google Play Store. Rather, it's accessed using a web link and a browser. This app has a tremendous number of useful features to help you in your day-to-day practice, and this guide will show you how to quickly get up and running with the OAO TPA web app. So to access the app, first go to the OAO website, which is optom.on.ca. Click on Sign In. Of course, enter your username. Once you're logged in, on the right-hand side, under Other Resources, if you click on that, and towards the bottom, you're going to see Therapeutic Drug Guide. Click on the OAO TPA App icon, and that'll bring you to the sign-in page. Now, the first time you access the TPA app, you need to create an account. This app is only available to OAO members, and we need to verify that those using it are in fact members of the association. So again, the first time you access the app, you need to create an account. You need three things. First, the username you use to log into the OAO website, your OAO password, and then the email address that OAO uses to communicate with you. If you have any trouble at this stage, or if you get hung up here, you can email. The address is appsupport@optom.on.ca, or give the association a call. Now, I've already created an account, so I'm going to back up one step and simply log in with my email and my password, and click Login. Now, the first time that you log in, you will see a disclaimer. So read that over and choose Accept. And that will bring you here, which is essentially your home screen. Another way to access the app, I'm just going to quickly show you here. If I just back out of here, you can simply just type in the URL, the web address, tpa.optom.on.ca. And because I'm already logged in, it's going to jump right to the home screen. So at the home screen, this is where you can search by drug name, drug category and subcategory, generic availability, coverage by your provincial drug formulary, drug format, pediatric prescribing, nursing indications, preservative-free availability, and new categories, and this is functionality that we've just added over the last couple months, includes over-the-counter medications such as oral anti-allergics, oral NSAIDs, analgesics, topical lubricants, and anti-allergics. A handy feature of the app is that you can favorite your most commonly used drugs. So to do that, you just want to hover on the right-hand side where the star is and choose Add to Favorites. I'm going to choose a second drug. Now to look at your favorites, just click on Favorites on the left-hand column here, and you'll see the two drugs that I just selected. To remove them, simply click on the yellow stars. Now to get back to the home page, and again, this is another important thing to note, click on the OAO icon in the top left corner at any time, and that will bring you back to the main page. So to find any drug, just simply type the name in the search field. You can type in either the generic or the trade name. In this case, I'm going to type in clavulin and click Search. Here it pulls up the drug I want. To access more information, simply click on the drug name. Here you can view the strengths and formats available, as well as the typical adult dosing. You can also see whether there's a generic available, and if the drug is covered by your provincial drug benefit plan. You can also click on the image, and depending on the drug, there may be multiple images. It'll show you a magnified view. Click on the X to close that out. To access the drug monograph as a PDF, click on this link here, and click on this link to access some more detailed information on the Ontario Drug Benefit Program. And also, pediatric dosing guidelines can be found here. So lots of information that you can click on the right-hand side. If you scroll down, you can also view information relevant to pediatric prescribing and use in pregnancy and nursing. There are clinical notes that can be helpful in prescribing, as well as important information related to drug interactions and adverse effects. If you look at the top of the page, you'll see the category that clavulin is in. Click on, so it's an oral antibiotic, and the category is penicillin. So if you click on penicillin, if you click on this tag up here, you're going to find other drugs that are in a similar category. So that's a quick way to find other options in the same category. So let's go back to the home screen again, clicking on the OAO icon in the top left corner. You can use multiple search fields to find a specific drug. And this is truly the power of the drug app. You can type in multiple search queries to really narrow down a specific drug that you're looking for. So let's say you want to find a generic combination glaucoma drop that's on the drug benefit plan. So in the product category, you want to click on glaucoma agents. And then in the subcategory field, you want to click on combination agents. And let's say we want generic. So on the generic drop-down, we'll select yes. And then in the benefit field, we'll also select yes as well. So we've entered 4 different items that we want to search for. So when we click on that, we get the 3 drugs that satisfy those 4 search criteria. Now let's go back to the home screen again, so clicking the logo in the top left. So let's say we want to find a topical steroid in gel formulation. So in the product category box, you want to click on topical anti-inflammatories. Topical anti-inflammatories, we just need to find that right there. Then click corticosteroids in the subcategory box. And then on the format box, you want to choose gel and click search. So here you get Lotamax gel, the drug that shows up. Again, let's go back to the home screen. Let's say we want to prescribe an oral antibiotic that's compatible with nursing. So click on antibiotics oral. And in the product search box, you want to click on compatible with nursing. And then click search. And here you'll get the antibiotics that satisfy that search query. Again, going back to the home screen, if you're sticking to on-label indications and want to find out which dual activity agent is indicated for a pediatric patient you have in your chair, in your room, click on anti-allergic topical in the product category. So anti-allergic topical. In the product category, you want to choose dual activity agents. And safe for age. And we want age unit to be year. And we want to say age 3. And search. And those are the 2 drugs that come up. Next, I'm going to show you how to access the OAO TPA app on your smartphone, so either your iPhone or your Android. I'll show you how to find the app and then also how to save a neat little icon shortcut that you can put on an empty space on one of the screens of your phone. For iPhone, you want to type in the web address directly, which is tpa.optom.on.ca. That'll take you right into the app. And because this is the first time that I've logged into the TPA app on this iPhone, I'm going to have to type in my email and my password to get in. And once I've done that, I'll show you how to add a neat little tile or icon onto an empty space on one of your screens on your phone. So just finishing the login. And once I'm in, at the very bottom of the screen, and there's a little center icon just above the button, press that, swipe to the left, and choose Add to Home Screen. In here, you have an opportunity to change the label that will sit under the tile. So you want to keep it short. Something like TPA Web App would work. Type that in, choose Add on the top right, and it'll land on an empty space on your screen. Click on it. Because we've logged in, it'll go directly to the app. For Android, launch a Chrome browser and type in the web address tpa.optom.on.ca. And again, because it's the first time I've logged in on this phone, it'll ask me for my email and my password once again. Just finishing the login process. So with Android, in the top right corner, there's 3 little dots. Touch that, and then partway towards the bottom, choose Add to Home Screen. And again, you have an opportunity to change the label of the little tile. So again, something short and sweet, TPA Web App would work. Click Add, and we'll just back out of here, and you'll see where it falls on the screen. There it is. Touch it. Launches directly into the app again. Thanks for taking time to watch this OAO TPA Web App instructional video. We hope you enjoyed the functionality that we think this app will bring to your practice and to your patients. If you have any questions, comments, please reach out to OAO via email or by phone. Thanks for watching.